Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to open a Honda Accord door panel. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your window is completely rolled down. This provides better access and prevents damage. Begin by carefully prying off any small plastic covers or caps that hide screws, often found near the door handle or armrest. This initial preparation makes the rest of the process much smoother and safer for your vehicle. Next, carefully remove all the screws you've uncovered. These are typically located in the armrest, behind the door handle, and sometimes along the bottom edge of the panel. After the screws are out, use your trim removal tool to gently pry up the window switch panel. Once it's loose, disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the back of the switch panel by pressing the release tabs. Take your time to avoid damaging the wiring or the plastic clips. Now, with all screws and the switch panel removed, use your trim tool to carefully work your way around the edges of the door panel. Gently pry outwards to release the plastic clips holding the panel to the door frame. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel straight up and away from the door. This action disengages it from the window channel. Finally, disconnect the door handle and lock cables from the back of the panel by unhooking them. With the door panel completely detached, carefully set it aside in a safe place where it won't get scratched or damaged. Before you begin reassembly, take a moment to inspect all the plastic clips on the back of the panel and on the door frame. Replace any that are broken or missing to ensure a secure fit. To put everything back together, simply reverse the steps you just followed, making sure all cables and electrical connectors are properly reattached.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.